Today, we're discussing breakfast foods that can help manage your blood sugar levels. You'll learn how to structure your breakfast to reduce blood sugar spikes and get 5 examples of breakfast that I eat all the time. I'm Dr. Morgan Nolte, founder of Zivli. We help you prevent and reverse type 2 diabetes through sustainable lifestyle changes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so more people can see it. Let's start by exploring how to structure your breakfast and the key components to consider. Starting your day with a blood sugar-friendly breakfast is crucial, especially since you're breaking an overnight fast. Choosing foods high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber can help keep you satiated until your next meal, preventing cravings and sugar crashes later on. Instead of reaching for high carbohydrate options that can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar, focus on incorporating at least 30 to 40 grams of protein into your morning meal. This not only supports muscle health, but also stabilizes your energy levels throughout the day. For example, 1 serving of Special K protein cereal would not be a good blood sugar-friendly option because it has 44 grams of total carbs, including 9 grams of added sugar and only 10 grams of protein. Now that you know how to structure your breakfast, let's go over a few good examples. One of the most common breakfast foods is eggs. They're a fantastic source of protein and fat and can help you feel full throughout the morning. For optimal protein intake, aim to consume around 5 eggs or a combination of both whole eggs and egg whites. Another option is to mix 3 scrambled eggs with half a cup of cottage cheese. This combo not only enhances the protein content but also adds creaminess to your eggs. You can cook the cottage cheese with the eggs or just eat it separately on the side. Often I'll do 3 eggs plus some breakfast meat like bacon or Amalu breakfast sausage to add up to 30 grams of protein. You could add some chopped veggies, avocado, blackberries, raspberries, or strawberries to this meal for added fiber. Next, we have smoothies, which are a quick and easy breakfast option. When making a smoothie, you don't just want to put a bunch of fruit and milk in there. That would probably just spike your blood sugar. Instead, be sure to get at least 30 grams of protein in your smoothie. This could be all from protein powder or a combination of protein powder, yogurt, milk, or other smoothie ingredients like peanut butter powder or hemp hearts. Pair it with a carb-friendly milk such as Fairlife or unsweetened almond milk. And add in some leafy greens or low-sugar fruits like berries for a nutritious boost. Nut butter, flax seeds, and chia seeds are another great addition for healthy fats and fiber. The Health Code meal replacement shakes are also delicious and nutrient dense, so you just have to add a low-carb liquid of your choice. You can use the coupon code Zivli for 15% off your first order of Health Code. There's a link in the description of this video for that. Another excellent breakfast choice is yogurt. It's protein-rich and can be customized with nuts or seeds or maybe a keto granola for some added crunch and healthy fats. Choosing plain, unsweetened varieties like Greek yogurt is the best to avoid unnecessary sugars. Often, I'll add in some extract like almond or vanilla with a few drops of stevia to make that plain yogurt more flavorful. Cinnamon and cocoa powder are other options that I go to often. You might be surprised at our last option, which is porridge. So I used to eat a lot of oatmeal, but once I realized it spiked my blood sugar, I had to pivot. Oats are high in soluble fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. However, they are high in starch, which breaks down into glucose. So you're going to want to reduce the portion of oats and add more ingredients to help reduce the blood sugar spike. I like to add a scoop of protein powder, some hemp hearts, chia seeds, maybe some peanut butter powder, and some nut butter on top. This, combined with a low-carb milk option, will help slow the absorption of the carbohydrates from the oats and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, it has more protein. An even friendlier low-carbohydrate option is chia seed pudding. Just add chia seeds, a low-sugar milk, low-sugar yogurt, maybe some cinnamon or vanilla, and a pinch of salt to a container, and then set it in your fridge overnight. If you want to sweeten it up, you could do a couple drops of liquid stevia. And if you want more protein, you could also add some unflavored collagen or protein powder of your choice to increase that protein content. In the morning, after your chia pudding sets, just add your favorite toppings. I like hemp hearts or coconut flakes or maybe some berries so that I just get more flavor and texture in the chia pudding. A balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and fiber is essential for managing blood sugar levels. Whether you choose eggs, yogurt, smoothies, or a porridge, or even chia seed pudding, be sure to include a variety of nutrients for a satisfying and healthy start to your day. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips about how to lower your blood sugar. And I'll see you next time.